How does it sound
It
for the
sounds
start?
it sounds great. So Sylvia was sharing with us कि resilience ये आपकी कुव्वत ताकत होती है कि जो भी आप challenges face करते हैं उससे आप कैसे बाहर निकलते हैं। आप जैसे उन्होंने एग्जांपल दी कि एक आप समंदर में सर्फिंग बोट के ऊपर है तो प्रेशर नीचे हो और आप ऊपर हो, ये resilience होती है, आपकी सलाहियत कि आप चीज़ों से मुश्किलात से ऊपर उठ सकते। Is this something just we use synonymously for discipline, or does it actually have a meaning of its own?
Hmm. Yeah, well, actually, I would say that you can find many different definitions of that. And that's a word that comes from psychology to say that this is a process of adapting to changes and challenges, to keep it very short and precise. And as a process, for me and from my perspective, it's always a very important to understand that it takes time. So it's a human capability to go through changes and challenges. And I think for every one of us, if we could ask this question, have you ever faced a change or a challenge in your life? I think most of us, or if not everyone, would raise their hand, right? So we also have this natural capability to go through the change and through the challenge, any kind of adversity, which is a difficulty in our life. Sometimes it's a change that we evoke. Sometimes it's a change we are part of and not author of. And resilience is our way to cope with this, to go through it. And yes, you can have many different ways how you can do it. Sometimes we say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. You probably heard about that statement. And it's not necessarily this way. As you said, it's not about discipline always. It's not about being strong. For me, it's a different way of looking at the life. And in life, recently, we will always face difficulties. We will always face different changes. And it's our way, like a little bit like a lifestyle. How do we respond? Not react, but respond with consciousness, with our awareness to what is happening. And how can we not get under the water, but really more like a surfer to take the surfing board and use this wave, use this wind, use the adversity to discover not only what is the next step for you, but also who are you becoming through the change, through the challenge. How does it sound
It
for the
sounds
start?
it sounds great. So Sylvia was sharing with us कि resilience ये आपकी कुव्वत ताकत होती है कि जो भी आप challenges face करते हैं उससे आप कैसे बाहर निकलते हैं। आप जैसे उन्होंने एग्जांपल दी कि एक आप समंदर में सर्फिंग बोट के ऊपर है तो प्रेशर नीचे हो और आप ऊपर हो, ये resilience होती है, आपकी सलाहियत कि आप चीज़ों से मुश्किलात से ऊपर उठ सकें। I was just translating what you have said and